Storm Door Guy here. Today we have a hidden door closer and a Larson door that's gone bad. So this is the forewarning. If you don't want to get 12 stitches and end up in the ER like I did, you want to make sure, very first thing, you want to put a screw or something in this hole right here. This is a safety hole. So you want to put that screw there, and then it is now safe to close the door and remove this screw here, because this gray bar will act like an airplane propeller once it's disconnected here. I had this edge catch me right across the jaw, and that was a tip to the ER. So learn from my experience. Put that screw in that set hole, then close the door to take all. Storm Door Guy here, and today we're dealing with a defective door closer on a Larson door. This is a hidden door closer found in the Platinum models. We're going to be replacing this closer. The very first thing you want to do is take this set screw here, the screw, and put it in the hole here. I'm using a 1-inch screw. This will prevent this bar from kicking back, possibly chopping off your fingers. This actually sent me to the ER for a nice 12 stitches. So make sure you put this screw in there before you disconnect this bolt here on the door. Step 1, put the screw in here. And then step 2, you're going to want to close the door so that that set screw makes contact with that gray bar, because once that set screw is up against this gray bar, it's taken off the pressure, and it is now safe to remove this bolt right here. So take the pressure off of that. Otherwise, this piece will act like an airplane propeller and catch you right across the face, as it did me. So I have safely disconnected this Larson hidden closer. We're going to go ahead and now remove it from the door. So we're going to remove this screw and remove this screw. After we do that, grab this thing and pull it straight out. That's removing the hidden door closer on a Larson door. Now we're going to assemble a Larson hidden door closer. So you open the box, you're going to find the base right here. There's the base. You're going to find the gray expander bar right here. And we're also going to find a bag of screws, bag E. Now, we've got all those. So you'll notice here, this says hinge side. You want that arrow pointing towards the hinge side. This is your adjustment screw, left and right for faster or slower. There's directions on which way to go. And then on this gray bar, you'll notice there's an L or an R. That's for left hinge or right hinge. Which side are your hinges on? The door I'm working on, the hinges are on the left, so I'm going to put the L up. Now there's going to be two little bolts like that. You want the fat one. Sorry, rather the thin one. You want the thin bolt to connect this gray bar to the base. So then you take the Allen key and tighten that down. Yep, come on. So we're tightening this down, make it snug, and then you're going to very carefully open this up, and you want to put, see how it comes back? you want to put this, there's a hole right here. You're going to put the safety pin in. So open and very carefully put the safety pin in. It looks just like that. This safety pin will prevent this bar from coming all the way back. We're going to install this just like that. So we just assembled the Larson hidden closer. Now we're going to install it in the door. So we come up here, look at that giant hole, and we're going to set this piece right in the hole there, just like that. Remember, you want to look at this hinge side. This points towards the hinge side of the door. You don't want to get this reversed. And this right here is the screw you use to make the door go faster or slower. Leave this installation pin in until you've connected this gray bar here with the header rail here. The last piece we have left to install on the hidden door closer is this little guy right here. And he's going to go right in there. So we're going to connect this gray bar by closing the door and making sure that the hole lines up. And we're going to connect these two pieces and tighten it down. This is the last step in our process of replacing a Larson hidden door closer. So we're done connecting the hidden door closer together again. Now we're going to open the door until those two pieces connect. Hear that pop? That's a good thing. And now we can remove the safety pin up here. Come up here. Now it's okay and safe to remove this pin. We have just successfully replaced the Larson hidden door closer. Now we can come back here and start to test for operation. Pull that and it closes nice and slow.